Okay, I'd like to introduce this man. He's called Snake Man, and since we live in Alabama, we call him the Alabama Snake Man. He's got a snake he's worried about. It's November. The snake should be hibernating. It's just not acting right, so we're going to get it out and check it out. So, yeah, don't do this at home. Definitely. Yeah. Okay.
I'll be running when he comes out of that bucket.
Well, oh yeah, I wouldn't be able to see him running. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, that bug went by. Did you see him jump? This snake was what first